Good afternoon. It is December 26th, 2022. Not to be confused with the last big snowstorm we had in November. This one we got probably another good 4 feet, and I wasn't able to get much footage during the storm just because I was busy cleaning off the roof and stuff like that. But you can see I'd had to knock the drifts off the roof. They were overhanging about 4 feet. And then, just like the last one, there's Diane's car buried. You can see we cleaned my car out already. Nice pretty tree for the neighbor's yard. And of course, Ryan's Jeep's still buried. Nice big pile of snow to get in the workshop. And for reference, you can see there's the snow above my head on Ryan's car. It's about as high as the gutters on the workshop. Lots more snow. Here's the other end of Diane's car. We'll have to dig that out tomorrow. But right now, we're surrounded by travel bans, so even though we can drive in Orchard Park, it's not advised, and really nothing's open anyway. All the grocery stores are closed. Pretty much all the businesses are closed. So I don't know where people think they're going to go. And several of the surrounding towns have driving bans. So even though we dug out the Explorer, I don't think we're going anywhere. Birds are obviously happy we're feeding them. Roads are pretty good here in Orchard Park today. That was not the case the last couple of days. But you can see a couple of foot drifts at the street. And it's sort of feast or famine. There's spots in front of the house where the drifts are 5 feet tall, and other spots along the driveway that's only about a foot of snow. Given everything, it could have been worse, I guess. But I know our in-laws lost power for a couple of days. We didn't lose any power this time, so we lucked out. But I don't know. These storms are getting worse and worse every time. We've had probably over 150 inches of snow already this year. And a typical season, we're lucky if we get 90. So it does not bode well for the next couple of months. Oh well, till next time, stay safe and stay warm.